Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Endurance Ugiagbe, they talk about Okogbo development. Okogbo na Orionwo na e dey for Edo State. He don advise the people of Okogbo make them no sell their land, take solve their own personal problem. Make them make sure say any land wey them sell, make them use the money take develop the community. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Endurance Ugiagbe. Enjoy the video.
Ivia domeja waya wa bebe nege kai wa bedu gan wa kwe de jobu gan hena mejori ne aso makeke ni maya enwe eko oyaji ota ori dolevu emu rebe ne na lo dagwe edogwe ewo joma asini ewo meke ka boy jeme ido mu pa na do mu were na do mu gei na we egesene na be do ya ene Okogbo no pevu be ya na na bi miewe ibi Okogbo ya kekene mai ramene ba utagbona ya abi ga bege mi no sunu Okogbo nda we inwune development high suenania inwune development anagele need selflessly okeke or dey transparent emi na gbon ya bege emi na ulei nda we development emi na ya ka we emi na we na ya do level yi emi na mulei emi na muladiano so that abi abege ema na bi aro ni ma onebu ni be nebu be ma abi abege ma ni ma onebu ma ibi ebo me e ka wo ma Okogbo Orionwo oje we uka dan ye me na o de kan maya ebo me nia development be se ebo me a have so ahun to ebi no ye we me we ni ye do ya we e broadcast na be de na we ima o ni gon to we ma bi hun to ne ni gon make na bi ade me kan to ni gon so pa e ma ni bun ro ni be zun dan whoever ni ma gele understand we na gbona yi hian e inya igwa mi ne gwe so pe yan wa mi go mu yu gwe po iya mama wa no riri yan hin to mu ne e ma ni bun ye fi gbe the community inya fi gbe ni ya we ke nu gbe se e ba no to we se inya di obi go kere na di no di ye po ye ga u ganya hian we agbon wa fo ebi no ya me mu to na la dia me development oge Okogbo la dia be de na o iwe aberi mama sira me hien oto me do nwa severi ave de na abo to na ya anya si ya efefefe na ya mugbo ugbo ni ya gba ori ma ya no ga je school ya sponsor je school no ga we win na ya sponsor ya we win na ugbo na ma eri ma ni bun ve gbe ke ka wa vijima ve ya mo ma ni bun ve ya mo ve la we bo ni ya ve ya je school do na gbon make na be manya so pa le ga yiri ni ya e ma li bun ya ka ife Lamborghini ama ife otone ayi fi Lamborghini e ma li bun ya ni ya be duplex ama ri ife otone ni ya be duplex inya iwa kini no to fone aga mu ko ipo gugan hotel ogiro tagbon na ya fe ya le ya lega eni bun ya mu ya la aeroplane iya ga ri Dubai a mu picture ya nyo wo pa ge Sokoto iya nyen no pada Ibadan ara show e ti yan je Dubai ni ya we mi pa pataki ni ya ave murievo e Dubai ni ma o ya zero ni ya ze ya aeroplane ya we visa ari Dubai iya enjoy mi ya me Dubai ni ro paro ni ya we iya bi se wi ya ave mi egwe nya be do wona mi be wi na make na be mi egwe e ma bi ari ewi ya ero so aye ni ya si egbon are iyeke awi meka ka bo so ne we ne malibu ya we me a community e ima ya gwa be de na ni agwe e Nigeria kakabo wa loho emi loho ni da doge agwakane government obeni keta inawe government inawe maya no wa ro pa lore power unda ro pa ni lore power ni ora gbegbe wa 8 years of ipa o ma bebere the real government or the people or the real government and the real people the real government no even cause the major problem in my face now or the people a leaders in be mo ginyabo aga when I deal with what leaders are doing or they very simple but would they because of the people as well you can't deal with them as well you can't deal with the leaders also on that they complicated on that way all many leader no we no ma keke and when na Eugene na punish na me where emi no who or face the consequences the penalty emi here no but because of the people of the law of the now because manibuma you understand emi the government him mana or be cause many problem or be cause problem be negbima be ma ya cause negbima in only community a community so where do mana Kyoto no gbera here making more than trillions in it. So many communities here make more than billions in it. But on here was a community in here. Amukbo lala owa. E so raw 20 years to come. Upa haye laiba. Agake government. A government in Uweke allocation okay federal. Oye logo my see ya pay workers ifo. A revenue. A Kenana generated revenue. You must make sure you also service that place very well so that more revenue will be coming out. Una make business you have to service that business very well. Whatever the business needs, you must make sure you give it to the business so that the business is making now. So if you also see government concentrating on some areas, who get the kind of amount of revenue those areas are generating. So those places also need to be concentrated on. Any government young winner. Where do who work by na ladia, where do one maybe ijaji where a revenue generating in another place. Adwa alu ye we. Meanwhile, Malibu here no talk. What trillions? What billions? E that organize we no Kenya. While the community so where do we na? Who are go we so more than 8 cars, 10 cars. Iya vie yaro, iya me ni moto iya me ni. Iya iwa ke no to ne awa mi ni moto awa mo boyo. Aye fe ni moto sunu ukponohin aha ge ne. Otora ifo aya enibu ati ibe defu e ma we. No gin ake ne boya ke ne mama be dele. Iya ha ge. Iya ha di moto iya no. Iya no. Awe this kind of car on akina or me mechanic we bu na. Iya no unda we iya ma sus iya ma sofa gwali goni. Iya wa moto la wa hie ne. Igo ni awa la yan boya wa de no ri Kenya. Unda ma no suse gwaligo oke lue o lue emi no ga gasese. Emi no ga benefit esese. So e chane okogbo no pe we kere wori ona. Makame issues with our boundary with other communities. When in Maya Nware, when it katasin, Averi Mavijima, Ugboya Gbe Yagba Ogima. Manibuve Nware, Nive Begwe, Odave Re, Inunubona, Enibuna with Yoboyo. Nive Gagwe, Gimeve Zozolawa, Bonia, Wena, Nia Jesku, Enibuna with Vekwa. Manibuvo Kobonia, Esora America, Esore Europe, Esore London. Emini bunimiari unu kavedene na. Waya ewe a system no ye ebu waje ya develop emi agwa kavedene na. And these developmental system strategies ba ke ta ma ve dion. Abinu ba me ejike dion. Ima onu sunu ye ni. Ya tu sunu ye so many elders that will bear me witness. Emini bun ni share as idea. N'aura développé un warima. Enibudi oyo udawe oginya ya gwalo. Oginya enya gwalo. Inya gwalo we no man agboya. There want some people to be down. Ime to be me. Ina kiri wori ina we ihe iga gwa kame Nigeria. Iwa ke edoma iwa afipege Buhari no Abuja. Me ma gwe Obaseki gwanfo. Okage le me ma gwe gwanfo ma discipline fo. Ojo were odobo we mi no wu imai trash efo. Ne gwa lo we ne bumi aya ma e. Iwari unu iwari ye. Iyove e kama ese mekini ya yi. Oya me bedene na we ewo. I don't want to look outside the box anymore. I want to look within. Except you wake kenuke day where eno pairo no rigore. Idomu babu we rege we ekenimeke day igo levare. Evani bu lwe we no ri Kenya. Ma wa fia ofwa. Ma fia wa. Mari a oye kenoma ekenemi okpa hana ti begbe ade. Anake gwan okpa mai sunu. So gbali mara ti gwan kane afi were awa aje ma wasi ayi. Oboka yekin bi one day. Wa very ma wa le gun. Iyan ke pay you go to farm in reserve areas. All ma collect igoni. Igoni obwe government ijo. Oga bwe government ijo. Uniwa generate for how many years na ke collect igoni? Temi pataki ne government ive do igoni ve do ya over wima. That where a woman and a generator. Despite where is government reserved. So a woman no. Other government reserved in other communities, in an generate. Government at a time. Okay, can be yewu way. So for me, according to my own personal investigation, I have got to know where even in government is say. So agamu pa mu were gay. Okay, imune reserve na igoni ya pay. Oni igare do toni vedovi. Ni mure vedene na. Oe emugu. Akawa gbina yemugu ne. Alabi egwe manibu bokogbo e oto maria oji. We mahaya dimoto mahaya buwa mahaya dole moji. Ima be ozu hian. Awa be mi owa bokogbo ni ugbo adom. Ayibere abege gwe iyan na be gbe vabo. Agiwage yana we na ima. E da doge na inigo. Igbama egele. Maya waya. Anado kukugbe. Na ya miegwe adofi ugwu. Ye wima with the other community. A few women in here, ma be ye egwe iya ye vabo. That way no activity is going on that boundary area. Ejo ojo we na ilaja we orama ugwu nijeni na wele atiyo na make na be di otobe ni mo no bobe sinyai e ma ni be gbina ya mugu we le ma we ni mebeje kake ma ni ke na be ga tobe ni ya they are compensating ya ekenugwu nijeni a otoke iye tawala ma pa kan ha ti lu efu ana we a be hienwo a be ya solve problem or community. Eteme ya kenire America kenire Europe. Imedo la javedene na nuwa meke na be yunu bamonu. Ni ma meke na kobo kugbe. Na ya miewe igo na riri generative kugbo alwe ya develop kugbo. Agasia egwe emawa mi igo ni ya wa ya adali moto kia ya live agmori ya hia. E government ikede ojimare orape. Ti yoni muro edene na iyoni ke ga egwe. When I map as one map that area ne, if no ya be zedo, if ya dome, ye walipo be redo patronazima. No walao. Waga ye kirigo do ya do to wokogbo. Uga mego ugare aga kinu. So ma u le the due process. Ave ye na okogbo e moto na hie where 10 plots, 20 plots. Ogo to na wa fi gbe ni. Awolu gwalugbe kelugbe li se ogweno ma ihe to video o ma pala mu we re video wi yan le ni onu we do to no video ede that way different groups all Okogbo nanya area motoje, and these groups they are forming it for their own selfish interests. Oya me do ladian that way iladiane igwedian done bege enegwe oge kwinya eya gwalo iya siegbese oba palace ne segwane weni meguwe gwana gbali bunire we ubona wa ma ihe iya siegbe kiania ude motor na no, and motor na is for their own belly. Oga I don't see any reason why they will be having this confusion among themselves. So ni maladian manivevo ni maladian la meke la miegwe e mama ki Okogbo ya dwa kene gbiyan. When I map at la jave boundary side in here or jeme where I take your tonoma, I can evaluate how much it will cost to construct the road. Time to come. We might not construct it now because activities will be going on. Development will be going on. Big trucks, heavy load trucks will be coming in to bring in materials. So if I not constructed the road now, we might still need to maintain it within some few time. or few years. So the best thing is, the road is motorable now. People can be bringing in their materials to start developing their lands. I beg what developing it. I want construct to Ukbo. I can move their government. I evaluate on you go there. Ele atini gagbe. La wa ya tae ya abe mukbayo abe mwe. E solar light be yo. Doto keke no ga e 1 naira ba, I got to 2 naira. Oto ga e 2 naira. I mewe 1 naira 50 kobo. Ogari ogukpa, ogari oge solar, ogari oge na ya construct to there. Meanwhile, I already call engineer and I evaluate na only go no hine. The 50 kobo no ike. Obi area community accounts. Abi mewe a community na be have any other issues. Abi ya survey. What ya me tell me na? Iyo kpaga aro no laja ma oni esunu ye ekeni go ni na laja so pa egega sene do wa ave to ave. So pa ni majena becho salobua. Maka ye wadu we maka ye. Okoko we. So pa eva ni oni ya soligi you ebu. Egega be se meka be le emidiana ibe gugwa be ema ni soligi. Wo Okogbo. Eni buga jegwa. Iya ga be se gwa. Iya ga ede bogare de boikare. Iya ga ede bogare de boikare. Now 50 kobo no kan ni weni tani ogari community account awe mewe na awe. Emi no ya me terminare igo paga aro no ladian. Ima oni esunu ikacha sin, ima oni esunu yiwe ni woni ya ladian. So pa ya se iga sunu yo. Igo ni ladian, emana ladian na we iya wa gago na. Zewe we a families no modio we Okogbo. Okay kaka bod dame. Imeke ediaje, iya gbigo tuegane. Ina where a family no mojo we Okogbo. Despite a family of him, mojo we Okogbo, so pa imario boy gbe system in because it's not constitutional. It's wrong. A family no mojo we opake kan Okogbo. E malibu Okogbo ni uni amade kan go ni. Igo ni we no ladiani. Igo ni asaya we bi pataki agbon ya benefit from it. When a family no mojo we Okogbo have problems to solve with money. A real family dey mojo we ri have a problem. A family no mojo work back and form Okogbo. The formation of Okogbo is between those no mojo we and those ni dey live. Uda egega sewe la do gbenye, la do metenebu. E malibu la dinya ya ladia. Ke go ke ya mistake kima. Ado do level. Egegi senya evikere be ladia. Na ya planning na ya wemi na ya do level yi. Nebo meke na mana gbon ya. Igo ni o wasawa ya mwesola lati le Okogbo ya. Igo no wa ladia ni ya tuwe ga video. O wase awa ya mwesola lati le Okogbo ya. Ana mewe wa wadi Okogbo bason e ya ye wana oje na gava. So ma ana tuwe iga. Igo ni na ya riyo ni ya nene kwane. How long are we going to continue like that? Then guys say campaign. My doga muja ka be aspirant ya do atalo ge yi my ho. Because in Yabege where we are myopic, a lot of them know how much we are generating for where we are living. They know if we know how development goes, we ourselves can develop our place. So the moment that comes in, they will find out that these people don't still know the system. So to lie to you will be very easy. That is what has kept us in this perpetual bondage. Yes. Because by the fruit you shall know them. If you come to a community and you see how organized they are, where because when you see things that are going on, how organized the community, you know that these people know the system. So the mayala wo if you kogbo ya kini mayi second mayi ramene. The maya kubo kugbe. Even if le mave do time ave committee na vio yo we ni ya gbe le layout. Me ave le mave kamiya we anything concerning surveying of land. E ya ro matato bo. Oro matato bo. Ye la be surveyor si wu. A layout okpa. E ya ti wa mi almost 3,000 plots. I la don't come everywhere 1.5, you know. E ya hin any key. That way development in Orena. If I make sure where a half plot will be able to account for it. When a surveyor, you go where you know for your services. Or a 1,000 plus or that down, we must know where 1,000 plots, you know. In my investigator so I investigate so authority there will be on proper register. And on what you working to here. Akega location the name a youth. I make sure where they are vetted. They are properly vetted. I give the allocations in the allocation papers in a youth. They might know only they might even when we are there, I will document it properly. So I'm making out uno tona. So when all those don't make sure where you have a proper documentation. And on one where you have who was our receipt or photocopy or what in work by video. No, what had those doctor a crime? Let everybody know. A crime. A crime. Because if I make sure where or guy one rack you toba, I make sure where out of back here nwe. Here, Ukbo na save a senwe. Ukpa na avio yiva, ave me wege paye. Oga one raya do Tony, igo ni yaru weva, wega wa bowane, uwa connect ukpa, u connect la wawe. Area development ya live. Area development ya live. Na do imado bolu wa ekeniburo wo edona. Ne ma wa bolu wa yi. 20 years to come. I have a talk boni. Enibunya paki moto yeke iyove ayogwe ya ayogwa. That way, other community ni ya wa here no to. Meanwhile, they made much money to even construct the road. They made much money to bring in lights. They made much money to bring in solar energy. But few individuals use the money, lavish the money on things they cannot account for today. So, egbo ye kan ro kogbo. Uwe na iga ro ne we otokogbo we ga ga hien we ya popori. You better sit yourself down again. Think twice. Uya gwale binuwa. Uya gwale minugawu. That way, mani mo boy your talk where in a can talk about ya we no Kenya. Egga me say ave henya ya. Anyo be rabono na anyo bi de bonona. Uga obi ra no kiribo, uga obi je no kiribo. Nebo make na managbo ya aje. Me ibi ra ni bu. Pardon. Me ibi ra ni bu ni no to be many communities. The family has suffered with the Here we buni here lands in many communities. Ni vijia suffer with the Yeah, if you tell me I will no Kenya. Amu kuka. So ogo bijoma eronona. Ya do level yi gagbon ya kuku gbe ne ma do level yi e magina. So far Emmanuel ya si oligi egwaga enya. Otedo ya ga enya. Ni rokogbona. Inya ga he. So that no get kiribo. Edaloga ikiribo imana ame nguna ni makaun ma ya mi go kere ni ma me bizegbe ni ma ya we wunu nani e bizegbe ma ame that way even I really generate from that land ahaya dole wi maji when I generate go ni me make na me go ni ji igo paro na atu ega igo paro na adota we a family no mojo we aga go na ero na la ni magasi oli because it's not constitutional egbo ga be dere aso asegwa aga segwa egbo be na be dere aga segwa agi due a family no mojo we paro ko gbona agi due is so archaic and so backward I down again. If I'm not job, we your boy awu. We ni kebi your boy iya gae. Edio ino. So no waya wa say. E da doge wa yi guy. Wa yi guy presentation na. That way or de kai maya. E no ya me ye do we ya woni ye English ya we. Ya se gba be gan ni bun ni mego iya die we ma. E saboto azibun ten na we be ten dia je yan kini for ne. Ado agwezo. Aidu agwezo. So mama ni dezo. Di ma be ni de ma no be yoku bo be do to no bia ivie do. Ka bia ne. Oto na be Canada. O ma na de we gbera boundary. Ekwe ede ewe town we community. Na ya bia me ramoto. Ama we ni layout we na fi to wo kogbo. This is the first in history. I know you might always because of the boundary problems. First in history. Since my settle a boundary there, ogezo amagbina amawo amawuwo amabeje court ibe yo bogo na do aka me na ka de court ona nia aware anawawe amicably ni aka van bola ni ahe ne man anawe na wase ni ani ya that way awe na senior ni bai ezo gade ekeni ya igba kiyo se anawa fi ogun wale ba they themselves are satisfied, we are satisfied. The ado asagbo ima sagbo do vani nani maka do ru that way ado wusi aye in a very bad way ado mewe we moto ogbo oyo ma ri owa in la sagbo do va it's so barbaric. So obviously im na we wa hia e ma na ila na nya ya wo okay ana wo ke na map layout we ke nu hu ni jeni na ga ni mo do bo be so yi there they ma be na be re ati we ke ni an be develop so pa to ro na hia ne ma we estate o na ka ma we Obama estate, the whole entire Okogbo estate, estate. Also, my plan to construct the roads, to bring in lights. That when you are building, you don't need to start thinking how you can bring in light to the streets. Once you buy a land, the money to bring in the lights in the future is there. The money to construct the road in the future is there. You getting me? So, nobody should bother where you want to come and buy huge plots of land, stupendous plots of land for any whatever estate. No, don't make such mistakes because we don't have such lands for sales. Our land is for agricultural purpose. So thank you all. I will be updating us time to time by the grace of God. O denoma o keke na gbon ya mudi ayi. Ai mi ekeni mi eje magbona. Ere mi dan, ere mi no ma. So pa, we ga be bere mi no ma. Okeke nu ze, uye wa ze emi no ma yahu. So waya wakoyo wa wesi.
Now we don't hear from Endurance Ogiagbe. Let us know what you think for this matter. Go to comment section, make you put your own. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.